Good morning, everyone. We're here at Pineapple Villas. I'd like to give you a quick tour of Unit 322 that's located on the second floor of Pineapple Villas. The unit is 1,400 square feet. It has all Honduran hardwood and it's fully furnished. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, tile floors. The first bedroom has a mini split unit and access to the full bath. Here's a preview of the bathroom, first bathroom. To my right here is the stackable washer and dryer. This is the entrance to the master bedroom. Again, all Honduran hardwood, tile floors, king size bed. Master bathroom with a shower as well. This is the owner's lock-off closet. It has like an open concept. This is the dining room. Fully equipped kitchen, all Honduran hardwood, stainless steel appliances, granite countertop. Living area, mini bar. A large entertainment center. And access to your private balcony with views to the Caribbean Sea and the community pool here for Pineapple Villas. Again, if you would like more information on this unit, 322 Pineapple Villas, contact Lisa or I or your realtor and give us 48 hours notice and we will be happy to show this condo to you.